April wanted to point out this is only a semi-private road now.
That was a good joke.
That is a good joke.
This week's adventure begins in the small commune of Taff, about 5 kilometers from St. Pardoux. This sign reads, "In this village in 1944, there was the headquarters of the Bayou Lacoste Marquis. To the memory of Edmond Meslay, alias Lieutenant Lacoste, commander of the Bayou Marquis, who died for France on August 10, 1944. The Maquis were rural guerrilla bands of French fighters during the German military occupation of France during World War II. There are no signs leading to this monument, just a dirt road through the forest and along open fields. In fact, if we didn't have our friend Paula to guide us, we would not have found it."
We're on our way to see a French resistance monument. Paula, restaurant owner who we've become friends with, is being our tour guide. What is it called?
I think it was one of the lookout posts.
Oh, the lookout post.
I remember it. Oh, maybe that one was not. I remember it being more round.
So this is the French resistance lookout. And you can see it's still a very large field that looks out over, of course, the beautiful French countryside. Hard to make out here. See if I can really view it. This tree kind of stands out in the middle of all these pines. And much wonder it's never been taken down. It's because it's a monument to the French resistance, and you can see if I get closer all the carvings in the trunk. Apparently the French resistance would carve messages or their names into this. This is World War II era. Pretty cool. So this is what's called the Puy de Marseille. It's the top of the hill, and this tree is the monument. The different divisions of the French resistance would carve their names. All right, well, my neighbor called me when we were in America and said my fence to our little garden area came down, and it's essentially this little entryway fence, or I guess it's really a gate door. She has this little area here. We have these nice little walls that go around all of the property. Of course, our house is right there. And our intent is to make this a little vegetable garden as well, plant some fruit trees over there. So I've come out here with my trusty drill and a couple of drill bits. And the pin portion of this gate, because it'll also have this little barrel portion, and it'll go like that. Now let's see if I can drill the hole big enough. May have to go get a bigger drill bit. Looks like this is a little sleeve here. Get some pliers and pull it out. I'll be able to put my little grommet in there afterwards. So I got this in here. Now it's just a matter of hammering it in without janking up the threads too much. And I got my tools here. Don't know if I can hold the camera, but basically I just need to tap it in and turn it at the same time. So let's see what happens. She's standing there.
Come here, Mama. Come here. This. Come on.
Like, but it's dry right here. Breathe, don't move.
Just,
The epoxy set up.
yeah.
Sort of epoxy that has like resin, it has little bits of pumice or stone in it as well. So it like fills the hole and helps hold lag bolts and stuff. So it worked on some other things, so let's see if we can get it to hold this gate.
Is that what they use down here?
I don't know. I did that. That's this. That's me.
Oh, okay.
I just had some gaps in there.
Gotcha.
And some extra.
Okay.
We will see what happens. I'll fill it in more when it sets up some more. Epoxy the bolt into the stone. It seems to be holding pretty well. The gate's really heavy right now because it's wet. It's my bucket making noise.